How to use Gmail with Thunderbird. So if you want to use Gmail with Thunderbird, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser or go with Google and search for Thunderbird. Then go with www.thunderbird.net and it will take you to this kind of interface. Click on the official link to download and install it. Once installed, you need to open your Thunderbird. If it's your first time, then the setup interface will appear on your screen. If you have an existing email window, it will appear as well. If not, you can click on the menu icon, then icon settings, and then add a mail account. Enter your display name, full Gmail address, and password. If you use two-step verification code, you can use an app password. Click on continue. Thunderbird will detect Gmail settings automatically. Select IMAP to keep messages synced across all devices and click on done. Sign into your Google account in the pop-up and grant Thunderbird permission. Wait for a few moments while your email syncs. Once complete, your Gmail will appear in Thunderbird's left panel and you'll be able to manage all emails from your desktop. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.